is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Blizzard conditions heading for North Dakota on Thursday, January the 16th, 2014. It's going to bring near zero visibility, blowing and drifting snow. It doesn't have to be heavy snow. It's going to be blowing and drifting snow. It's going to be around 1 to 3 inches of snow. In North Dakota, that's around 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. Then the snow is going to blow around in North Dakota. It's going to be blowing and drifting snow in North Dakota. And it will affect parts of South Dakota as well. Because it's going to be a blizzard condition. It's going to hit North Dakota. It's going to be very bad blizzard with blowing and drifting snow. It's going to be a reduced visibility. It's going to be a zero visibility at times in North Dakota. People in North Dakota, be prepared. When you're driving on the highways, especially on the interstate highways, take your time, drive the car, slow down, be careful so you don't get in the car accidents because visibility is going to be reduced in North Dakota. Make sure to drink your green tea, white tea, and red tea, and drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Since it's going to be blizzard conditions in North Dakota and parts of South Dakota, when you go for a walk, don't walk too far. Because it's going to be a blizzard conditions with whiteout conditions, near zero visibility conditions. And temperatures going around minus 23 degrees Celsius during evening hours on Thursday in North Dakota. And the wind chill is going below minus 30 degrees Celsius in North Dakota as well. If you have anybody living in North Dakota and parts of South Dakota, watch out for blizzard conditions. And don't walk too far because visibility is going to be reduced. It's going to be blowing and drifting snow. Doesn't have to be heavy snow. Even when it's light snow. Like 1 to 3 inches of snow. That can cause blowing and drifting snow and blizzard conditions in North Dakota. And parts of South Dakota as well. Turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm during the blizzard. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your laptops charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G and 4G internet ready, because it's going to be blizzard conditions in North Dakota on Thursday, January 16, 2014. Weather's going to be very bad with blizzard conditions in North Dakota and parts of South Dakota as well. When you're driving the car, take your time, drive slow, so you don't get into car accidents. Visibility is going to be reduced. Make sure to bring your warm blanket with you to keep you warm when you're driving the car in North Dakota and parts of South Dakota on Thursday. Best luck to you. People in North Dakota, be prepared for blizzard conditions. And winds will be gusting up to 100 kilometers per hour. Take care and stay safe. And don't get caught in the blizzard conditions. Be safe and stay warm.